What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. What is the difference between a fixed APR and a variable APR? A fixed APR differs from a variable APR in that it does not vary in response to changes in an index. A variable rate APR, often known as a variable APR, varies with the index interest rate. A fixed rate APR or fixed APR establishes an APR that does not vary in response to changes in an index. This is not to say that the interest rate will never rise, but the issuer must normally tell you before the change occurs, and in most cases, the higher rate will apply only to purchases and other transactions made after you get the notification. A variable rate APR or variable APR varies with the index interest rate, such as the Wall Street Journal prime rate. The cardholder agreement will specify how the APR of a card might alter over time. You should be able to locate a copy of the agreement on your card issuer's website, and if not, you may request one from your card issuer. If you have any questions, please contact your credit card company. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.